Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a warp text effect on Adobe Illustrator CC. Grab your text tool and write down sort of like anything you want. I'm just going to change, why did I click there? Change the color and type down the text like so. And once you're done, you're just going to sort of press Ctrl C on your keyboard and Shift Ctrl V, and then I'm just going to bring it down here, and then you're going to press Ctrl C, Shift Ctrl V, and press Ctrl D to keep on duplicating it until you've reached the kind of bottom of the canvas. And then you're going to select all of it, right click and select create outlines, and then on the last 5 sort of texts, like rows, I don't know, swap fill and stroke. Oh, I forgot to select all apparently. And then you are going to just adjust the stroke like so. After that, you're going to select these and then press Ctrl G on your keyboard to group, or right click to group. Then go to Object, Envelope Distort, and Make with Warp. Select the wave style, and here you can adjust how much you want to bend it and such. Maybe like this much. Then you're just going to press OK. And that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!